What's going on, guys? Check it out, Qgen HQ. My name is Chris, but you probably already know that. So, I'm looking pretty pale. It's a beautiful day outside. I should probably go outside, soak in some sunlight, call a bunch of my friends up, say, hey, listen, let's meet up, let's go hang out. What can we do on this gorgeous day? So, we rallied around and we decided to stay inside and build a brand new PC. So nice out. All right, that's about enough of the outside. So, what are we gonna do? How are we gonna build this PC? I'm giving this to you in a vlog format. I don't normally do this, but I'm also gonna be doing a giveaway, guys, which is pretty sweet. Nothing too crazy, but I'm celebrating my 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 of you people have joined. A lot of you guys might not think that's huge, but to me 1,000 is a lot of people. All right. Hopefully we'll grow bigger and better. So what am I going to be giving away? I'll tell you right now. It's going to be a couple of Steam cards or Battle.net cards or whatever you choose. But at the end of the video, I will tell you guys how to enter, and hopefully you guys can win some pretty cool stuff. So right now the guys are outside. I have everything for this PC, man. I got 1080 Ti, which I sold a kidney for. A bunch of really, really cool stuff here. We're gonna build this thing, and then we're gonna show you my desk setup-esque type thing, which is really cool. I'll show you my older setup now through a GoPro that I filmed a long time ago. Hopefully the footage looks all right. But I've already taken a lot of the stuff off the desk, so I can't really show you that. I should have filmed it, yes I know, but who cares? So let's go ahead and build that PC now, guys, and then we could check out this 2018 setup. All right, guys, let's get into it. Look how excited he is. Yes, we're inside. We're building a PC. Hype! Okay, guys, so let's start with the case first. I went ahead and picked up the Corsair Crystal 570X RGB tempered glass case from Corsair. This thing is absolutely beautiful. When I saw this thing on the shelf, I had to have it. Now, this entire build is going to be RGB. I have a lot of powerful parts I'm putting in here, and I really want to show it off. I love that this case is made of full tempered glass. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous on the desk. And for the motherboard, I picked up the ROG Strix X299, the gaming motherboard. This is the 2066 socket, one of the newest motherboards on the market. Obviously, I said I'm going to go pretty top of the line here. It's a beautiful looking motherboard, and the lights will really match with the RGB look I'm going for here. I'm super excited that I was able to get my hands on this. I got it for under 300 bucks as well. The power supply is the RGB 850 watt Thermal Lake. I got it for free, so it should get the job done, hopefully. Then we have the HD120 RGB fans. They're super silent, super pretty to look at, but they're also super expensive at 110 bucks. Kind of a bummer. Then I have the 16 gigabyte G.Skill Trident Z RGB DDR4 RAM 3200. This thing is absolutely awesome. Trident is no joke, and it's gonna look super pretty with that matching RGB. And I'm really, really excited I got my hands on this RAM. I got it for around 219 bucks on sale, I believe. So here it is, guys, the GeForce GTX 1080 Ti Asus Strix. This thing literally will cost you an arm and a leg these days. Thankfully, I was able to get this one months ago. It was the first piece I purchased, and I got it for 800 bucks. So this i7 X series, this CPU is an absolute beast, one of the newest on the market. I got it for around 500. Here is the PCIe 960 Evo, 500 gigabytes, super fast, easy to pop on. These things are just kind of legendary these days, and they're getting even better. But I also pulled a 1 terabyte SSD from my older rig, so that's why I was able to go ahead and splurge and spend the 200 bucks on this piece here. So guys, I'm not going to give you guys the entire build and breakdown here. Obviously, that would just take too much time. And I'm throwing on the Corsair water cooler here. And yeah, I mean, I am super happy with the way things turned out. This is how the actual build looks without the glass on side. Now, the only thing left is to turn this bad boy on.
Answering it.
Yeah, the camera's on. All right.
We're turning it on right now. We're turning it on right now.
I see lights.
Hold on, let me see something.
There we go.
Not yet.
Ooh, that looks kind of sick.
We're gonna be.
That looks sick.
Lights.
All right, you want to hit the power button?
I'm sorry, baby. We're gonna try
Yeah, where's it at? Hold on.
Get it done.
Oh yeah, all right. There we go.
Press it.
I'll be home in like 15-20 minutes, right? How long does it take to get home today, Dan?
What?
It won't take you long to get home.
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Maybe that's not plugged in.
Alright, I'll see you soon, my love. Love you. Okay, he's not plugged in. Looks like we fucked it up.
Hold on.
So we figured out what the issue was. I'm driving right now, don't do this. And it's super late at night, and the issue was the thermal lake. The power supply is absolutely shot, but thanks to my good friend Eddie, who's been helping me with this build, we're going to his warehouse in Queens right now, where he has a bunch of other power supplies laying around because he does a lot of mining and, you know, Bitcoin mining and all types of, well, not Bitcoin mining, cryptocurrency basically. Oh, don't want to hit this lady jogging over here. Yeah, he's got a 1,000-watt gold power supply laying around. He said I could have it, which is a huge plus. It's what, you know, having good friends really pays off. So, it's almost 2:30 in the morning. Let's get back, throw this bad boy in, and hopefully she'll power up. So it's 3 a.m. We made it back here. We have the EVGA 1,000-watt gold power supply. Thank you, Eddie. We're super tired, super frustrated, but it was all worth it in the end because we popped this power supply in and it worked like a charm. So guys, that's everything all said and done. The tempered glass is absolutely beautiful. Super, super easy to clean. You just pop off these little screws here and wipe each panel down. You pull out the mesh grating, get rid of the dust in there. It's really, really awesome. Even to look at, man, the RGB is beautiful. Real quick, one thing to mention, Corsair has a bit of, I guess you could say it's a cash grab here. I really wish Corsair made this more clear. These three fans on the front that change colors come stock with the machine. Well, I'm sorry, with the case. The top three fans I bought separately, they're made by Corsair. The controller for each fan looks absolutely identical, yet they don't plug in and work. They want you to install the second controller as well to change the RGB colors on those. And if you want them all to sync up, they want you to buy an additional piece called the Commander Pro. Absolutely obnoxious. You don't want to add all that stuff to the back of your PC. I don't know why Corsair would even do that. I might just do it in the long run because whatever, I'm already $2,200 into the whole building this PC. Well, it's another $100, right? But I do enjoy this being the static white anyway, and I don't like that fan being on back there because it kind of annoys me a little bit while I'm gaming. The monitors, real quick, we'll go over. These ones at the top and the left, these are 144 Hz monitors. I've had them for a long time, my old rig. Great monitors, picked them up. They're decently priced now, under $240, I believe. I was going to use those originally, but I was in the store the other day, and this is the newer 27-inch, 165 Hz monitor, a beast of a monitor. 2K, beautiful 1440p monitor. I got it for $490, under $500. You can see the price of this monitor, guys. It's expensive. I might do like a PC, you know, part picker below. You can see everything that I have here and get your total prices of everything. I'm a keyboard guy. You guys know that. I go through keyboards like water. I'm using the G Pro right now. It's a beautiful keyboard, super comfortable to use, great for gaming, super quiet. I'm using the Lance Head mouse because it's amazing. I think it's the best mouse on the market to date for gamers. Pick up the Lance Head. It's beautiful. It's ambidextrous. It's affordable. Super responsive. Super comfortable. And you can change up the colors on there as well. I'm using an Elgato Stream Deck because I'm going to be doing streaming here more in the future, as well as my podcast will be streamed live here with my other two hosts. Pretty awesome. Webcam, I'm using a C920 for basic, and I'm doing a review right now on the Razer Kaio, which you'll see here. It's a great webcam with an internal light. It's $100 actually. It's great. Great price. For my audio, I'm using an interface. It's a Line 6 Pod UX2 with an XLR mic, and I'm using the AT2035 XLR mic, and I use the SoundLink for my phone and for listening to stuff on here. I sound crisp and amazing with this mic synced up with that interface. Absolutely beautiful. An extended mouse pad, nothing crazy. Regular generic IKEA desk. I have some soundproofing in the back, as you guys can see here. Extra headsets, which I don't use all the time. Old school Plantronics for when people come over. Logitech and the Snow Edition, which I don't really use too much. Over here's a bunch of comics and Blu-rays and games. Cable management is what you guys really care about. You're going to hate me on this, guys, because it's not the best. And I'm going to tell you why. Well, that big round thing over here, that's a 50-foot HDMI cable, which I use regularly on the daily. I pick it up, I come across the room because we do live streams here, plug it in my TV to it, so I'm always moving stuff. Okay, I also have an XLR cable dangling here because it's a 30-foot XLR cable. I also use that to move across the table, across the room to bring the mic and do recordings that way. It's a mess, guys. I mean, it's somewhat okay if you look under here. I mean, nothing too crazy. You know, a little signum there. But yeah, guys, what is that? I have a Belkin protector so my rig doesn't get fried. Other than that, it's great. I mean, here is the chair that I use now. I used to own an old crappy chair, but I actually recently picked this up last week for, get this, I got it on Facebook ad for like 220 bucks. It's a brand new DX Racer drifting series. These chairs go for like, you know, almost 400 bucks after shipping. It's like 450 or something like that. This guy was selling for 220. He said he had it. He's had it for a week. You could tell there's no stretches in the leather. It's basically a brand new chair. And you know, he was like, look, my girlfriend got it for me. He's like, I don't like the colors. I want mine to match hers. I'm selling it for 220. He brought it to my house, assembled it, and left for 220. You can't beat that. Dude's name was Jesse. Give him a huge thumbs up. Just really, really sweet, man. And you know, I know there's a bunch of other companies that make chairs that are just equally as good, but you know what? For 220, can't go wrong. And guys, this is how everything looks in the dark with the lights off, obviously. The RGB really stands out when the lights are off, which just makes sense. The keyboard, everything really matches up beautifully with the rig. Super happy with the way things turned out here, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm going to show you the benchmarks. Now, if you guys are interested in the giveaway, I'm going to do 3 Steam card giveaways, either Steam or Battle.net, your choice, of $25 increments. Super easy to join. Like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Twitter. Easily tweet me with the hashtag, you know, 1,000 sub giveaway, both here in the comment section on YouTube and on Twitter. And I'll announce it on Twitter and YouTube at the same time. And hopefully you guys enjoy it and you get some, you know, some free, you know, Battle.net cash or you know, Steam credit and buy yourself something real cool. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Here are the benchmarks, everything now. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.